So hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to study about the different types of well foundation. Okay, what are the different types of well foundation? And before this video we already discussed about the why we recommend well foundation, and what are the advantages, disadvantages and requirement of well foundation, what is shifting, tilting and sinking of well foundation. So I strongly recommend to you, you have to first see that previous video about the well foundation, and I will keep the link of that video in description box. Okay, so that video was also one of the most important video, and after watching that video first, you have I recommend you have to watch this video, because if you watch previous video you will be very clearly in this video. Okay, so this video will be most important video and it is regularly asked in our examination. So let's see the different types of well foundation. So before starting the video, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get regular update. Okay, and don't forget to like the video. So types of well foundation. Basically well foundation is three types, that is open caisson, box caisson and pneumatic caisson. Okay, so first we will discuss about the open caisson. The caisson which is without its top and bottom is called open caisson. Obviously this type of caisson is like a well with vertical sides only. It may be a square, rectangular, oval or any other suitable shape. Open caisson are usually made of RCC of steel plates riveted or welded together. Okay, so these all about the open caisson, and next one is box caisson. Okay, this is the second type of well foundation, that is box caisson. So you can see here, you can see also in the figure. Okay, you can easily see this is the well type of foundation constructed here. Okay, and this is the figure of box type foundation. Okay, box caisson, and now we will see the box caisson. Box caisson. Box caisson consists of boxes. It consists of boxes with four sides and a bottom. The top of the boxes is open. Okay, in box caisson only top of box is open. Okay, but in open caisson top is also open and bottom is also open. Okay, so this is the basic difference between open and box caisson. The concrete box is fabricated on the ground. Before box caisson are floated, the foundation location and placed on the prepared bases. Only once placed in appropriate place, the whole void space is filled with concrete in such a way that it becomes an integrated part of previously prepared base. Okay, and next, the suitable of this foundation is confined only to those area where proper bearing stratum is available at the shallow depth and where load are not very heavy. So this all about the box caisson. Okay, now we will discuss about the pneumatic caisson. So you can see in figure, if you understand this figure you will easily understand, and you can write about the pneumatic caisson in your own language. Okay, so you can see here, this is the workspace and workspace between the two water area. Okay, and here is you can see blast weight and pressurized air supply and personal access tube, air block, and this is the mock tube. Okay, so this all about the pneumatic caisson, and now we will discuss. A pneumatic caisson is open at both and closed at top. Okay, so basically a pneumatic caisson is open at bottom and closed at the top. This is useful at location where it is not possible to adopt. They are suitable when the depth of water is more than 12 meter and maximum depth of water up to 35 meter. The essential feature of pneumatic caisson is that compressed air is used to remove water from the working chamber at the bottom and foundation work is carried out in dry condition. And next one is, in order to subsoil water may not enter the working chamber, the pressure of air in the chamber is kept just higher than that of the water at that depth. And however, the maximum pressure is limited from the consideration of health and persons who work inside the chamber. Normally, the tolerable air pressure under which a man work is limited to 0.35 Newton per mm square. Okay, so this all about the pneumatic caisson. Okay, so you can see here. So now we will discuss about the advantage and disadvantage of Kaizen. Okay, so in first we will discuss about open Kaizen. The advantages of open Kaizen is the Kaizen be constructed as large depth. It can be constructed in large depth. The cost of construction is relatively less than the other types of Kaizen. Disadvantages: progress of construction in boulder deposits is very slow. The concrete sealed underwater is not very effective. Inspection of the bottom of well is not possible. Okay, now box Kaizen. Advantages of box Kaizen: the cost of construction of box Kaizen is low. It can be used where other types of Kaizen cannot be constructed. Disadvantages of box Kaizen: it is difficult to provide the foundation base below the water level, especially for the deep excavation. Bearing capacity of the foundation base has to properly enhance. Care has to be taken to protect the foundation base from the score. Okay, so these are the advantages and disadvantages of box Kaizen. Now we will discuss about the pneumatic Kaizen. Okay, so main advantage of this is there is a complete control over the sinking of the Kaizen, so that it tilts and shift can be detected immediately. Staff in the working chamber and corrective measures can be taken effectively. The bottom of the chamber can be sealed effectively as it's maintained under the dry condition. Obstruction to sinking boulders can be removed easily. And disadvantages: pneumatic Kaizen are costlier than the other types of Kaizen. The depth of Kaizen below the groundwater table is limited to 35 meters during the construction. At the working chamber cannot withstand and pressure more than 0.35 meter per meter square. Okay, so these are the main advantage and disadvantage of pneumatic Kaizen. So thank you very much. Hope you understand well. If you have any queries, comment down below. Okay, so thank you very much, and do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and like the video. Okay, and don't forget to see the previous video related to the well foundation, and I will keep the link of that video in the description box. Okay, and you can see easily and understand easily of the well foundation. Okay, so thank you very much. See you in next video.